And it's a challenge migrants say they continue to face when they come to the United States. Well, what services are available and how they can get help. Well, on top of that, how can they get those services they need when they can't speak English? Well, they were able to get answers to their questions at a resource event today, and News 12's Julio Avila takes us inside and introduces us to some of those who came to the land of opportunity.
Food, clothes, and even city ID card services were just some of the resources made available to those who have just arrived to the United States.
Many of them don't have the resources to move around, to go to places, to get services. So we are bringing the resources to them.
Rosanna Cruz guided some of those migrants to the information that they needed, but she says it went beyond these services, as it also included health insurance, mental health, and a large focus on legal services.
We know that a lot of the recently arrived immigrants has been struggling to find legal services. Many of them don't understand the process. They are getting different documentations and appointments from ICE, USCIS, and they don't understand the difference.
The resource fair attracted migrants like Richard Asuaje, who arrived from Venezuela over a month ago and says he already has an ID card.
Me hace falta social.
I'm hoping to get a social security number and other things that you need to get overtime and accomplish these long-term goals.
As well as Carlos Huz, who also arrived from Venezuela about 2 months ago.
I feel very fortunate because they're providing support, and we need to be thankful and be conscious of it.
This resource fair was hosted by the Eastern Brooklyn Emergency Response Collaborative, a nonprofit organization that's made up of other community organizations, including cruises. They're looking to continue helping migrants and are accepting donations to further their mission.
We need clothes. A lot of the recently arrived immigrants need winter clothes. They need coat. They're not used to this weather.
Now, the organization tells us they're going to be having this event again on December 15th. It's going to have the same services, but they're also going to be handing out toys for the children. In East New York, Julio Avila, News 12.
A lot of